Oh, I might have made a mistake by wearing sneakers. There's about 2 inches to 3 inches of water in the back of this thing right now. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Rusty Clam Garage. Today, we're gonna start off by cleaning out the entire bed. There's a ton of trash in there. Not all of it's from me, some of it's from me. We have the plow frame, the seat that was in it and everything, on top of a bunch of other trash, and it's holding a bunch of water. So we're gonna start out by cleaning that out. I also got some more parts. You probably won't have seen the video yet, but I did put front calipers on the truck. I think I'm going to try to wrap the whole brake video together into one video, even though I had to spread it out a little bit. But I had to get new front lines because the ones that were on there didn't fit the replacement calipers, and I got a new banjo bolt. I also picked up a coolant temp sensor and an oil sensor so that we can try to monitor what's going on with the engine more closely rather than just kind of guessing. I also got the oil sensor port adapter so I can put the oil pressure sensor in a different position than stock. That's from Glow Shift. That's actually really cool that Glow Shift, I think I ordered it from Amazon, but they send, just even for something so simple, they send a picture of the location and just like a whole detailed list of instructions. I don't know if I'm gonna need that. I know where the sensor port is, but it is cool for people who are just starting out. I think that's a nice touch. It's a nice clear picture. I don't know if you can see that next to the distributor there. Goes right there. It's a pretty cool installation instructions to send with it. So we got that. Another cool thing we have, I don't know if you've noticed, but one of the wheels, the front passenger wheel, is mismatched from the rest of them. All the rest of the wheels have wagon wheels on them. So I went ahead and picked up a Krager 16 by 8 wagon wheel off of Summit Racing. It was a last minute decision. I had completely forgot about the mismatched wheel until like a couple days ago, and my buddy actually works for a tire place, and he's bringing over a set of tires that were going to get scrapped, but they're a lot better than the dry rotted ones where the treads are almost falling off on the truck right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to swap this wheel out for the one that is on there that is mismatched, and hopefully it matches. It looks pretty close as it is. I'm pretty sure that I got the width correct. The only thing that's different about these ones, they got the red and blue pinstripes all the way around, and this is obviously a much nicer, newer wheel than what's on there. So it's going to look a little off for a little bit, but I am going to paint the wheels. Ooh, I keep hitting that wheel with my wedding ring. I am going to repaint the wheels so they'll all match eventually, but right now when we're putting new tires on, well, new tires, I just want to throw it on, have it match. Just another thing to make the truck look a little bit more done, even though we're far from it. So starting out today, first thing first is the bed. Don't think the tires will be in this video, but I did want to show you the parts. So we're going to get working on clearing out that nasty bed and seeing what we're working with underneath the bed liner that the guy has bolted in there. So let's check it out. So one of the cool things about this truck that my 85 C20 didn't have was that the tailgate actually functions. Now I can already see under here we got some pretty significant rot at the end of the bed. So we're gonna have to brace that up and probably do a lot of the bed floor. But I'm gonna work on getting some of this stuff out of here. Oh, I might have made a mistake by wearing sneakers. There's about 2 inches to 3 inches of water in the back of this thing right now. Ooh. All right. Not gonna be able to get in there without getting my feet completely soaked. Here, take a look. I mean, we've just been tossing a little bit of trash back there, but yeah, this thing's, I mean, those cans are floating over there. So I'm gonna get like a big broom and kind of try to drag some of the water out, and a trash bag for some of the parts that are stuffed back here. Look, it's even growing stuff. There's so much dirt and crap back here. Ew, brother. Let's get that all cleared out. This might be a better idea than my broom idea. We can ditch the peanut can now. We're above that. We're better than that. We have a front-mounted gas can now. Yeah, I got other people coming today. I could have waited, but yeah, why that? Why do it the easy way? The more I can get done before they get here, the more important stuff we can work on. This fan shroud I'm probably not going to keep because I think I'm switching to dual electric fans. So it's in complete condition. So I'll probably put it up on Facebook Marketplace. If you're in southern New Hampshire, I'll put this. I'm going to put the seat up real cheap. Mice have already gotten to it and everything, but you might be able to reupholster it. It's a nice bench sheet. It's got a console. Clean it up. It'd be good for a farm truck or something. It's nice and comfy. It was just a little too big in the cab for my liking. But the seat, up on Facebook Marketplace probably this weekend. So if you're seeing this now, it might be gone. Or if no one's taken it yet, it's probably still there. So look out for that. All that water just came out right on the seat, so maybe we'll give that one a little time to dry before putting it up. This bed is crusty. I'm talking crusty. The wheel wells look all right. All around them, inside of the bed, rusted out on this side. That side I'll show you in a second. Not bad. Got some broken glass back here. Some random plastic and metal cutouts. So we'll get a broom, get this cleaned up, and get a real look at what we're dealing with. And also that 8-foot liner will be up on Facebook Marketplace because I'm not using that. I'm going to patch the rust holes, paint, and bed liner the bed because I don't really like the look of a drop-in bed liner. But they work for some people, so it'll be up there, real cheap. All right, let's get tetanus. Oh, that is just, don't step on the tailgate. All right. right, so this is what we're working with for the bed. This bar right here, flexing every time I get in and out. So we'll have to secure that, but the majority of the bed is there. Whether or not it's structurally sound, I don't know, but it's there. These back pieces here are like 30 bucks for replacement. So I'm gonna get that. I'll probably just make a piece of sheet metal to go in there. The whole thing is gonna get painted anyway, and it's gonna get bed lines. So I'm not really worried about matching up with the metals or anything like that, but this, especially the end, has definitely gotta go. Up towards the front. We have a hole on the other side of that wheel well, but this wheel well is still pretty good. Just a small gap in there. Like I said, this one's yellow on the inside. That one's black. So I think they Mickey Mouse this bed together a little bit. But most of it's here, which means there's something to screw to, something to weld to, hopefully, and enough to make it just fine for on the road. You may have noticed that today's episode was kind of short. But to keep up with a good uploading schedule right now, I'm gonna have to do a few mini episodes, maybe in between the longer ones. The last episode I put up was like 45 minutes. Took me a long time to edit. On top of having a full-time job where I work overtime now pretty much every week, and having 3 kids and the horses and all that. I don't have too much time to work on this stuff, but there's gonna be some mini episodes once in a while, and today was cleaning out the bed. So as you can see, we at least accomplished that, and now we know what we have to order to get this thing fixed up. So if you're following along and you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, say something down below, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Tell me what you did to fix your bed or your truck. If you have any ideas for mine, shoot them on by. I'm an open book. Like this is my first go at actually working on one of these, so I'll take any help I can get. And it's been fun documenting it. Honestly, I can't wait to go back when this thing's all painted and road ready, and just like look at everything that we did and everything that me and Sean worked on, and all my other friends, whoever comes to work on it throughout the whole build. It's going slower than I thought for sure, but it's been fun. And there's been days where I felt defeated by it and, you know, really frustrated, but lately it's just been a lot of fun. So follow along, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all those things. Send me pictures of your build, your backyard build. You know, everyone's seen the, you know, really nice trucks that are all finished, 20 grand, 30 grand. I want to see your truck, your backyard $1,000, $2,000 build. Show me your Mickey Mouse tricks. Show me your MacGyver stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.